Morning folks, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to take care of our Continental GT, which has been ignored for a really long time after its accident, the minor or the major one, the way you prefer to call it. But obviously that needs to be sorted. As we have already discussed, we have got a damaged indicator, damaged brake lever, damaged bar and weight, damaged petrol tank. Obviously that's the most obvious damage on this bike, and apart from that we have a damaged panel over here and a damaged foot peg. So apart from that, most of the things are intact and we hardly have any damage anywhere. What I'm going to do is I'll be taking this bike to the authorized service station, which is there at Gandhidham, and we'll try to get it repaired. Now for that I will have to claim the damage repair amount from the insurance form too. So for that I'll have to give them a copy of that, the insurance document, and along with that some other documents. I presume the RC as well as the driving license has to be submitted to the ASC guys, and then they can proceed. So without wasting much time, let's head to the showroom or the authorized service station. It's almost 10:30, I guess they would have opened, so let's begin. So we are finally here at NP Auto Agency at Adipur. That's a beautiful bike among its peers, and that's Prem Bhai for you. एक तो हो गया आपका ये डैमेज हुआ इंडिकेटर. So we have got the documentation part done. I guess it will take 10 to 15 more days. Then we can finally get it back. मैं तो बढ़िया, आप नहीं दिखते हो, आप बताओ. गाड़ी छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ, ध्यान रखना थोड़ा, ठीक है? चलो. गाड़ी को बोलो सर, वो आपको लगा नहीं. ये खींचा था, क्या इसको बोलते हैं यहाँ पे, हैमस्ट्रिंग. अभी सही है. ये थोड़ा जल्दी देखना प्रेम भाई. थैंक यू दोस्त. Okay guys, so I've given my bike at the showroom. I went back home. I brought the seat, the covering, tarpaulin for the motorbike, so that for the time being, up till which the bike is there at the garage or the authorized service station, it doesn't have to be, left over in the open. So that was the reason that I had brought the cover. That's it. I guess it will soon be repaired. There is no guessing actually. It's festive season and there are more busy in sales and other things, so it will be getting a little difficult for the bike to be repaired in the time. Nevertheless, the survey and other part of the things which has to be done by the insurance guys, that will be done soon, and that's it. Let's see how soon we get it. I guess the time frame which the showroom owner gave me was 15th to 28th of next month. That would be approximately 18 to 23 days from now. Anyway, there are a few trustable guys, so I can trust those people with my machine. I can't really be much bothered about. So let's see how the things turn up. Stay tuned for more. Till the next time, build it, ride it.